When you are preparing for your hike, take enough food and water. Even if you don't plan a long hike, bring a snack just in case you get lost or if you have a medical condition that requires you to eat frequently. Bring healthy snacks and water for the kids hiking with you. The amount of water you need to bring depends on the temperature conditions. A good rule is to bring 16 ounces per hour of moderate activity for moderate temperatures. More water will be needed as the temperature and intensity of the activity rise. Also, it's important to dress properly. Proper clothing depends on the weather conditions. If there is a chance of rain, pack a lightweight raincoat. Avoid wearing cotton in the cooler months because as you sweat, cotton clothing will absorb water from your skin and you will feel cold. Instead, wear wicking clothes, which take moisture away from your body. Dress in layers so that you can remove clothing as your body gets warm. Start with a t-shirt base layer that is a moisture wicking or polyester material. For colder weather, your next layer should be a long-sleeved shirt made of soft merino wool or fleece. The next layer should be a lightweight insulated jacket. If it is very cold, wear a thicker top layer or moisture wicking long thermal undergarments. Wear shoes with good support. If conditions are muddy, wear waterproof shoes. When hiking on a Blue Blaze trail, wear hiking boots for better grip and to prevent ankle injury. Sneakers or shoes are fine for multi-use trails. Bring a hat for sun or warmth, sunglasses, bug protection, and always wear sunscreen. Since mosquitoes and bugs are attracted to dark colors, wear light-colored clothes. Also, to protect your skin from ticks, wear long, light-colored pants. Ticks are easier to find on light clothes. Remember to check your body as well as your kids and dog for ticks after your hike. Bring a map, hiking app, or GPS device, extra clothing, flashlight or headlamp, extra batteries, first aid supplies, a whistle for safety, and hand sanitizer. You may also want to take wet wipes, tissues, lip balm, binoculars, a magnifying glass, or a camera. Plan to be finished and off the trail by dark or have a flashlight, especially if you are hiking near dusk. During the summer, morning is the best time to hike because it's usually cooler, plus rain showers and thunderstorms happen in the afternoon. Install a weather app on your phone and read the weather forecast so that you are prepared. If a storm is coming, get off the trail before it arrives. Also, plan a little extra time in case something unexpected happens or you move slower than expected. If there's lightning, avoid open areas and summits. Always include plenty of time for your hike, not to just avoid bad weather, but to explore and enjoy nature.